Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X5 BMW and you're trying to find where your oil pressure sensor is located, also known as oil pressure switch, we'll demonstrate that today, guys. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine, guys. It has been used in BMW, guys, X3, X5, 3 Series BMW, 1 Series BMW, 5 Series BMW, guys. Super popular engine. Now, even if you have a different engine, the location of the oil pressure switch will be almost the same, and we'll explain how to get to it and how to replace it, so make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, guys, we're doing that video because many of you left a comment under our videos asking where is the oil pressure switch on BMW X5. We want to show you guys on this engine here, demonstrate where it is, and you'll be able to find yours. That way we can help you guys and save you more money. Now, another thing, guys, quick introduction to the channel. If you need to buy a new pressure switch, parts, tools, guys, check out the links. We'll share them in the description of the video below for your convenience. We do that so we can save you money, guys. Another thing, we'll make at least 200 to 300 videos on every single car we get at the shop. Why? Simply because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Let me show you what we have here now. This is 6-cylinder N52 engine. If you have a different engine, guys, you will need to locate your oil filter housing, guys. That's where your oil filter is located. Now, on the oil filter housing, guys, you see close to the oil filter housing you have two sensors most likely. Some of you will have an oil cooler here. It really depends on the configuration, but you will have two sensors, okay, one on top, one on the bottom. That bottom one, guys, okay, it's actually on the coolant housing here from the hose coming. So this is a coolant temp sensor. This here on top, this is oil pressure switch, guys. That's the sensor right there. Now, how you guys remove that? Stay with us and we'll explain everything, and if you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Go ahead and grab your engine cover, pull it a little bit up, get it out of the way. Now you will need to disconnect that sensor. How you do that? Okay, simply right here you're going to press, guys, okay, that metal thing, press in, pull out, and when you press in you can see how it releases. So this is an on and off switch pretty much. It tells the engine oil light if it needs to illuminate or not. Now there is a special socket that they sell, 24mm socket, that you can use to remove it, or we'll, guys, use our wrench here because we couldn't find our tool today. We lost it somewhere, and just get it loose, guys, going this way. Okay, perfect. And unscrew it, guys. There is one washer that you need to make sure the new sensor comes with. If not, replace that washer, otherwise you can develop an oil leak. Now you can leak some oil out because this is the oil filter here. You may not leak much at all, guys, but be careful. This is the sensor, okay, right here. That's what we're talking about. Now when you're ready to put it together, pretty simple, guys. All we need, just grab the new one, get it tight, install the wire, and you're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.